Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? This is me from Chimp Daddy Random Videos, and I wanted to show you something that's pretty cool. I mean, if you're really scared about the coronavirus, this is one good way to stay away from people. This is a Top-O-Matic cigarette roller, and I think this is the one right before their best one. And so basically, you have your machine right here where I'm pointing at with my finger. You can take this off, unscrew it, lift it up, take this off, and you can use cigarettes. So they're empty. You can use these are the hundreds. So you take this off to do the 100 millimeter cigarettes. But I've noticed that these burn so slow that I decided to get a whole pack of just the regular size, the small king size. And they come with a different filter. These are Premier Supermatic menthol. These cigarettes have been pretty good. And all you gotta really do, basically, since I'm doing the small one right now, I can make sure my lever's back. I put my cigarette here, and then I go ahead and put this back in because I'm not doing the hundreds. I'm just doing the regular king size. They call the smaller ones king size. I still don't get it. But either way, so you can buy your little sack of tobacco, read your warning there. You see, this is a better, cleaner tobacco supposedly, but this one is, mentholated. These filters are also mentholated. So this, Premier Supermatic menthol. These are real similar to like L&M's or Marlboro menthol. And this one's, so I can get the label on there good. 10 star. See the 10 star. And the ones that I have that were long, those are also menthol, but those are hundreds. And let's see, what you do is you get the tobacco, you put it right here. You can put as much as you want. Packs usually come out to about $1.50. Tobacco is so much more pleasurable, doesn't have all that jet fuel in it. So basically you tuck it in the little hole right here. You grab the lever, boom, wow, there it goes. There's the cigarette, rolled with the tobacco, all the way, super tight. It even looks like it's packed for you. You see that? Really nice, hits really smooth, burns good, tastes so much better, and it's cheaper. I used to buy a pack and a half a day. Now I can just make as many as I want. So the only bad thing is, the first time it takes a little used to getting used to the tobacco, but you know what I mean? And you can put big piles on here and make multiple cigarettes, drop it in, slide the thing on. It has this little rubber piece that catches the cigarette here. Boom, tuck it in the corners, you know what I mean? Whoop, grab the lever. Boom, simple. Another cigarette, perfect. You see, perfect, all the way. These are awesome. And they have boxes that you can buy for like $4 and up. And you can slide your stuff in because you will need a box to carry these. You can't just make cigarettes and carry around a bunch of cigarettes loose everywhere. And the boxes make pretty good storages for extra stuff, But you normally need about one of these bags a week, so that's like $10. You can buy the bigger ones or better tobacco. Or if you like really light tobacco, they have a gold version of it. Gold tobacco is lighter. But this right here, this 200 empty cigarette filter tubes, and that's 10 packs. So 10 back. This costs $4.99 right here. All right. This cost me $9.99. So that's what, $15. And I've got 10 backs. So it's up to you. And then it's real easy to clean. You just dump the tobacco off like that. Just pull the trigger off. It has this thing that comes out. This little boom. That's a cigarette thing. Don't touch that thing. That thing is sharp. But that's it, Top-O-Matic cigarette machine. You will need a little tray or something like that, so you can pick up your mess. You can always just scoop up the rest over the tobacco, leftovers, boom, 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 do it again and again and again. And I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Let me know if you've used these. These are pretty cool. Or what tobaccos you found, to work right, or what blends, or what mixes, or what brands. Let's try to find the best cigarette. Comment below. Peace. Have fun.